Imagine flying over this forest. Wouldn't that be amazing? Forests are the Earth's lungs and home to millions of species around the world. Today we celebrate the existence of the ever so charismatic and intelligent parrot species from around the world. They bring colour to these oceans of green. They also contribute to seed dispersal and play a vital role in evolution. And they're really important for keeping the forest's diversity. Parrots are flagship species for all those less obvious species in the ecosystem. Unfortunately, because of their amazing attributes, 1 in 3 parrots is threatened with extinction. This is caused by decades, if not centuries, of extensive wildlife trade and habitat destruction. Parrots are extremely intelligent and very social. In many ways, they're very similar to us humans, and they too struggle in isolation. We at the Macaw Recovery Network know there's hope, and that's because of you. You can help them today by joining the movement and inspiring others to care. Let's give World Parrot Day 2020 the biggest shout out in history.